E-Squared is a new platform. It's really a social network. It's a thing to get entrepreneurs and business owners together, because a lot of times we don't have people we can talk to. My best businesses are just moving and acting. So you asked about the habits of an entrepreneur. Sometimes it's moving without fear, not analyzing shit, and just going. The best inventions, products that I ever launched were absolutely always in the bottom. They're never at the top.
Every single one of us were born to create. But the problem is nobody taught us how.
But the only reason I play rugby is so I can't hit people.
First, a system to train your people proficiently and effectively. That way you will retain more.
You can't get to balance unless your priorities are right in the first place.
When I was at the bottom, when it was all going bad, I learned the most.
The best inventions, products that I ever launched were absolutely always in the bottom. They're never at the top.
I think the best place you can be is right here.